We're at the Crowden Club site in the Peak District in a ready camp. So today we're going to be using the Cadac E-Braai, which is an electric barbecue. And I'm going to turn the temperature up to 220 degrees Celsius. So we always like to eat local where we can, and we found a wonderful garden centre not far from here with an on-site butcher's and a deli. So today we're going to be doing chicken drumsticks with a honey chipotle glaze and also some sweet corn here with a lime coriander butter. So first things first, we're going to get our chicken ready. I have some cold pressed rapeseed oil here, which I'm going to drizzle on our chicken drumsticks. Salt and pepper. Our barbecue's heated up, so the lid goes in the lid holder. And now I just pop my chicken straight onto the grate. If you don't get a sizzle, then your barbecue's not hot enough. And then all we do now, sweet corn straight onto the barbecue grate. So it's been a couple of minutes, let's see how the chicken's getting on. First thing to do is take the lid off and make sure you put it in the holder. And if it's caramelised enough, it won't be stuck. So let's take a little look. Here we go. So it's caramelised enough, so I can turn that over to get some more colour on the rest of the chicken. It's caramelised all the way around, but because it's quite thick, turn the temperature of the barbecue down to about 180 degrees. Temporarily, I'm going to take the chicken off and I'm going to put it inside this little foil tray here. We're going to take our honey chipotle barbecue sauce here, give it a good shake, pour some of that in this little tapas dish here, put the tapas dish back on the barbecue just to warm this barbecue sauce through. Take our barbecue sauce that we've warmed up and we start to brush this all over our chicken drumsticks. Put that straight back onto the barbecue, put the lid on, and all we need to do now is wait until it's roasted through and we'll check the temperature using our digital food probe. So the chicken's not far off now, so I've got my lovely coloured sweet corn here, and this is just a simple chili lime butter. So into here I've got some finely chopped chilies, some coriander, a little bit of garlic, salt and pepper, and we're just going to add that on top of the sweet corn. We're going to wrap this up tightly in some foil, and we're going to let that butter melt all over that sweet corn. Our chicken's been roasting for a good 10 minutes now, so I'm going to take the biggest drumstick out and I'm going to put the point of the food probe into the thickest part of the meat. Now what I'm looking for here is 75 degrees, 73, 74, 75. So you can see that the glaze has now set up beautifully on our chicken drumsticks. And all we need to do now is take our sweet corn off the barbecue. So let's just pop that on there and again let that melt beautifully over that lovely sweet corn. Little bit of sesame seeds just sprinkled over your chicken drumsticks there. So there we have it, delicious barbecued chicken drumsticks with a really lovely honey chipotle barbecue glaze and barbecued sweet corn with a coriander lime butter.